How to create invoice in MS Excel. First of all, I want to see you invoices format. This is invoice, a very standard international standard format of invoice. You can see from here. We will create this invoice in next sheet. This include your company logo, your company address, your company contact number, invoice, bill to, ship to. Bill to means the address on whom you are sending documents of the transaction to your customer company, while ship to means the address on whom you are sending product to your customer company. PO number means purchase order number, or quotation means the quotation number we have sent already to our customer. Salesperson, our salesperson. Payment terms and delivery terms. Order number, quantity orders, quantity sample, description, unit price in AED, total amount in AED. We want to create invoice in next sheet. I want to zoom in. First of all, we will select the area. It has been made up to F. I will select the area. I have selected the area with the left key of the mouse. Then make it merge from here. Expand this and copy the logo from the sheet 1. Right click, copy, then right click, paste. Bring it to center, minimize this, then select the second row, merge, address of your company, Al Sheikh Al Mudaba, Taha Road, Karachi. Your company contact number. Select this column with the right key. With the right key of your mouse, contact, contact number, comma, email, dash, admin at rmsconcept.com. We will quit the 4th number row. We will write invoice in the 5th number row. Only we will select with the right key of the mouse 2 columns C and D. Then make it merge invoice. Then select, and you can expand the invoice. Give it background color. Then thick border. We will write here bill to, and we will write here ship to. Means bill to address, ship to address. We will give border to this one, thick border, thick border, no border, then thick border. Also we will give border, thick border. Select this one, thick border, thick border. Now we will give background color. This one also we will give this one to this. Now we are going to create to write the further requirement of the invoices. I have write here PO number or quotation number, salesperson or salesperson payment terms. Suppose we are giving this customer 50% before 50 on delivery, and delivery terms we will get this product to our customer within 10 to 15 days. Item number, quantity order, quantity sample, description, unit price in AED, total amount in AED. We will give border to these. Select this one, then give it all border, also all border to this one. We'll make them thick border, then here also thick border. All border, then thick border. You can see Control S for save. Total invoice amount, credit applied due. Total invoice amount, alt enter, credit applied due. I have come below in the same row through alt enter. Then total amount 5750. Our payment term is for this customer 50% before 50% on delivery. You should also merge this one, then merge this one. Or to create 50% is equal to, then simply click on this amount divided by 2, or Control D, %50 before 50% on delivery, comma, no, total amount, make it merge, total is equal to amount first plus amount second, enter, give it border, all border, Control S, this total amount you have to deposit in our bank account bank charges must be from customer account. Your bank name, make it merge, paid to, make it center, RMS Concept LLC, Bank Al Habib, New Murray Road, Rawalpindi. Account number account number Control S. Also you can give authorized signature. Underline and bold. You can see your whole invoice document from here. This is the end of this document, and we will bring it up to the top menu. You can see what you have prepared from here. Invoice means request for payment. You are requesting your customer that please make this amount, this payment on this date against this invoice number, this product and this quantity. When the transaction is on credit basis, then there will be invoice. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next video.